In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to update the record in MongoDB and how to delete the record in MongoDB. Basically, we have updateOne method and updateMany method. Let's say I wanna update the record. You should use the updateOne method if you want to update one record. The first one is the filter criteria, your query, your where clause, and here the object, here you will provide the record you want to update. Let's say I want to update the item with t-shirt. I would like to modify the quantity. The QTY, the current is 25, and here we have the 75. It will only update the first record, the first matching record. I think my MongoDB should be connected. Let's connect that. MongoDB localhost colon 27017. So I created a new file, update mongodb.js. Let's check it out. Here I can see only one document has been modified. You can see the matched count. If I run this one, db.getCollection .find products .find. Now it should give me all the updated records. You can see the first item record, which is t-shirt, and the quantity has been modified or updated. You can also see there is a last record t-shirt. Here the QTY is still same, which is 75. Now let's use another case. I wanna modify the array of the t-shirt. I want to replace the existing colors to this one, red, green, blue, and white. Let's check it out. You can also update the array. Currently we have black and green color, I think. Now the new color has been inserted. You can say yellow. Let's see that. We are still using updateOne, right? If we provide the updateMany, so we have two t-shirt record, black green color, and here we have blue red color. So red, green, blue, and white, yellow will be inserted for all the t-shirts because we are using updateMany. What is the issue? That looks good. You can see red, green, blue, white, and yellow. Here you can see red, green, blue, white, and yellow. Yellow with Y capital. So we have learned updateOne and updateMany. You can also use updateMany with like embedded document. We also have category object. Here we have name property and city. You can also modify the embedded document. Let's say category.name. I would like to set the grocery. Currently we have electronic. Here we have electronic. Here we have electronic. Let's do that. The name should be grocery. You can see category name is grocery. Similarly, we have a delete method. Let's say I want to delete the product with this t-shirt. white formal t-shirt, I would like to delete that. So you cannot see the white formal t-shirt. The product has been deleted. Similarly, we have a deleteMany. If you want to delete multiple record with this criteria, please delete the product. We have 50 quantity. We have only right now one. So this record will be deleted. Missing semicolon, where is that? I'm gonna comment that code. Here you can see you should not see the QTY with 50. The record has been deleted. That's it. We learned deleteOne and deleteMany, update and updateMany.